Dabra by SAP helps you have productive, focused one-on-one meetings and build trust with the people you work with. I'll show you how to get set up in just a few minutes.
Dabra is a web app, which means that you can use it anywhere, desktop or mobile. It connects to your Office 365 calendar and pulls in one-to-one meetings automatically, organizing them by person, which gives you the perfect place to manage all of your work relationships. Here's how to set up your Dabra account. To sign up, go to app.dabra.ai and use your work email address to register. Know that Internet Explorer is not optimized for Dabra, so make sure to use a different browser, such as Google Chrome. Dabra helps you get the most out of every one-to-one meeting that you already have. Connecting your calendar allows for your meetings and work relationships to automatically sync to Dabra. To do this, just click on the 3 vertical dots on the top left, then go to Settings, Connected Apps, and choose your work calendar. Everybody's a little bit different, and Dabra helps you get to know the people you work with better through built-in personality insights. Just complete a 3-minute quiz when you sign up, and you'll be able to learn about yourself, as well as the people you work with. For example, when I'm working with Jessica, I can see that I need to be very clear about medium and long-term goals for every project that I assign her to. Let me show you how Dabra can help you before, during, and after a meeting. This is Tom. He's one of my direct reports. We have our weekly one-on-one coming up tomorrow, and Dabra sends me an email reminding me to prepare. I can see here that Tom's already added in some items to our agenda. From here, I can go straight to the app and review them. Looks like Tom wants to go on vacation in October. I can address this one ahead of time and give us back a few minutes of our meeting. I have a few things I'd like to add to our agenda as well, so I'm going to add them in right over here for Tom to see in advance. By collaborating on a shared agenda ahead of time, both people come to the meeting prepared and engaged, and this just makes working together way more productive. Meeting templates built on HR best practices are available in the app to help both managers and employees get the most out of every one-on-one meeting. Everything ranging from a get-to-know-you meeting down to a performance review. There's also a private space for notes that only you will see.
Now we have a solid game plan for our meeting. With an agenda in place, meetings are super focused.
During a meeting, Dabra provides a shared space for meeting notes and action items. You can revisit topics you discussed previously, as well as see a history of when each of those topics was last discussed. This adds a layer of transparency and helps you build trust with the people that you work with. After a meeting, follow-up is so important. Dabra makes this easy by automatically sending a summary of the meeting notes to all participants, as well as providing a single place for everyone to refer back to.
Build great workplace relationships and make every meeting matter with Dabra by SAP.